With all the recent news, do this now. Now just lid this up. And now once you have these items packed, I like to also have a personal backpack ready. So in here are all the items that I'm going to want immediately and I'm not going to want stored away. So here's what goes in here. My purse with wallet and ID, a survival book. If the grid goes down, if there's no Wi-Fi, how are you gonna know what to do? Tuck that in. Bear spray and a bear horn. You never know where you could end up. Granola bars, a first aid kit. You wanna have this on you. A refillable water bottle. Add that to the side. Chargers. This is a flameless lighter. I love this thing. This needs to stay with mama. In case you run out of money, you could always trade these, since we all know how that went, but also obviously good to have since that will be the first thing to go. Toothbrush and toothpaste. It's getting full. Extra meds, hand sanitizer, a bar of soap, a waterproof pouch for your phone. Tuck that in here. An extra solar battery. Cannot recommend these enough. And there's a compass on the back for when I'm lost and don't know how to use a compass. It's really good. Pen and paper. An extra knife, a space blanket. I get very cold, so that's staying on me. Cards for when you get bored or want to hurt your family members. The game always helps. And a disposable camera, because you better believe if anything goes down, I'm documenting the whole thing. And if something happens to me when everything is all over, you're gonna know exactly what I went through. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All right, and now we are ready for the apocalypse or any major disaster, natural disaster, war, aliens, zombies, pandemic. We're set. Now you have your to-go bag that can go on your back, and you have this that can go in your trunk, or if you're shacked in, you have everything to get you through the first couple days. After that, we're all fucked. Hope that helps everybody. Let me know what you would add in your box and your personal bag. It always shocks me how many people are not prepared in case of an emergency, especially after 2020. If that taught you anything, folks, just do it. It's worth having this stuff. And feel free to send this to that friend or family member that we all have who is chronically unprepared and always relies on the goodwill of others to get by. Yes, that person needs to see this right away. Hope this helps. See you in the apocalypse. And now I've got a dolly, get this on there, and I'm wheeling this whole thing into my closet until I need it. And then if I'm shacked up, I have everything ready for me in my closet. And if I have to get in my car right away, well, you know what I'm doing.